I'll be showing you an easy option strategy that you can do every single week with very low risk of losing your money. So for this example, I'll be showing you this on the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, which is ticker symbol VYM right here. If you'd like to do this yourself, this is just an example, so I wouldn't copy this exact trade. And since we are doing trading options, I would recommend that you do your research and look at all the risks behind trading options. But if we go look at the Vanguard right here, it's pretty stagnant. It's obviously an ETF, so it's going to move pretty flat. It's not going to move all that much. We look at 3 months, it just kind of trades flat. If you go to a year, it just trades up. So this is a great example to actually do it on, but I still would do your research before copying this exact one. And it's a pretty simple options to set up too. So we're going to look at the expiration date first. We're going to set it the closest we can, August 20th. There are other stocks that you can do with much more dates in between these two, like every 3 days they have an option that you can choose. So I would recommend trying to find one of those if you want to make money as fast as you can, but this is also just as good as some of the others that you can find. So we're going to go to expiring August 20th, and I'm filming this on August 10th. So 10 days from now, where am I pretty sure that Vanguard will not go under? 10 days from now. Let's go back to the chart. Let's just see the movement. If you watch right here, the percent change as I move the mouse, you see it doesn't move very much at all. You see we just hit 1. So it really doesn't move. It's negative 0 point something. And just finally hit 1. Let's go to a month. Watch that percentage again. Negative 3, so that was a little bit of a dip. So negative 3, so that's about $3. And it's just usually 1. So let's go back down here. And so by August 20th, I could probably tell you that Vanguard will not fall to $100. It'd be minus like 7 point something percent. And as you saw when I was showing you, the biggest was minus 3%. And so I could tell you that in 10 days from now, Vanguard will probably not fall under this $100. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the $100 and we're going to go down 1. So we're going to buy a call at the $99 price. And then what you're going to do is you're going to sell a call right above it. So boom, right there. So as you can see here, so as long as Vanguard doesn't go to $100, well, let's see. Yeah, so as long as Vanguard doesn't fall under $100, you're making 20 bucks for this. And you'll put in $80, but once it expires, let's say it expires on August 20th at $100.52, then you get your $80 back and then you get plus 20. So you make $100, but you spend $80 to put it in. So let's say the only way you're losing money is if it's at, if it's at 99.79. That's when you're going to start going into the red. And then when it reaches $99, which is the call we bought right here, when it reaches $99, that's your max loss of $80, but I could probably tell you that it will not fall to $99 in 10 days. That's almost 8% movement in 10 days, and you saw how stagnant it was. So this is a pretty safe option to make. It's pretty simple too. It's literally 2 trades, and make sure it says call debit spread when you set this up. If it doesn't say that, then you probably did it wrong, and you want to make sure that you're looking for combos that are in the positives. So if I were to switch this around, let's see, there's some of these little combos that are going to be red. See, for some reason that's just a different gap. The 930 is a different gap to 805 than the 805 is to the 725. So you want to find the right gap to choose for your profit. You can choose closer gaps to make more money. See, that's plus $30 and minus 70, but it's a little bit more of a risk. I mean, I would still take that risk because I don't think it'll fall even to 101 in 10 days. But for the example, I set it up this way, so I'll leave it as this. So that's kind of how you can visualize it. If you have any other questions, please comment them down below. If you'd like to look at other option strategies that you can make more money off of, or that are safer, you lose less money, then check out my channel. I have all different types of option strategies for all amounts of money that you can use. But yeah, like I said, if you have any other questions, please comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer those. Thank you for watching.